Hello, welcome back. I am Gabriel. Today we'll be looking at CSS in HTML. CSS simply stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and there are three different methods in which you can apply CSS in HTML. The first one is inline styling. So the inline styling using a style attribute in the HTML element. That's what we'll be using so far till this moment. We have the internal styling. The internal styling in this case is when we use same thing, we are going to use the style attribute or the style element inside our header or inside our head of our HTML. That means we have to include that inside the head. The next part that we are going to look also is on the external styling. External styling means that you are using one or more external CSS file. In this case, you see we are working with the extension of .html. When we want to talk about external styling, we are going to use a separate file, and then we are also going to store that file as .css. We are going to see it on as we go forward. So let's take the first example with internal styling. That's inline styling. The inline styling, we have to use the style, which is the style attribute. Then we have inside that we have the properties we want to give to that particular section of a text. So let's take, for example, we want to give this area, that is background color is set to green. We can simply just any text that comes in between H1 will be having a background color of green. Let's say the best is yet to come. If we refresh and then we run that on our browser, this browser which is Chrome, you see that the background color here is green. And then let's take another example. If we want to give a color, we can simply separate that with a semicolon. Then we give it a color of red. If we save, you have a color, text color of red. Okay, the second example that we are going to see, we are going to apply the same thing, but in we'll do the same thing. We are going to apply the same thing, but inside our head tag. Let's see inside the head tag. Let's cancel this one. Inside the head tag, we are going to apply the same thing. That means we are going to use the style element. We have style, you have to close it. We have style. And then now inside the style, we want to give H1. There are different methods. So we can say, okay, H1, we open curly braces, then we say a background color of, what was our background color? It was green. Give the name of green. Next we give it a color of red. So you see that there will not be any changes in our result. Let's give it now a color of blue so that you will see the change. Background color of yellow, let's say orange. I kind of love orange. You save, then we see this is the change. So you see that you can also apply your styling inside your head element. Okay, on the next video we'll talk more on the external styling. How can you apply that using an external file? So in doing that, we just have to save our document, create a separate document. We save it with the name .css, and we are going to link it to this HTML document. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it is helpful, just kindly subscribe so that you get more videos from me once I upload. Thank you for watching.